Alright, well, they got me a good one. Probably wondering why I'm standing here in my boxers. End up having to go through all that to get it untangled. But got a good one, about 2.5. Good fish.
The weekend is here. It's time to hit the road, have some fun, and explore all that Norfolk has to offer. And remember, shop at Kroger and you can save 10.
We'll look at her. Finally got it. It was in a bunch of shit. Got her out. Well, I don't know if she's gonna make it, but damn, she ain't 5 pounds, 4.5, 5 pounds. Look at this fucking fish. Yeah! So close. She got wrapped up in the trolling motor. Yeah! She's gonna be short. Of course, I don't have a ruler. That bucket mouth. Yeah! I don't have a tape, but I'll tape her here later. Take another look. Yes. Pretty fish. Don't have any scales, but every bit of 4.5. Mwah! Pretty fish. I see ya. Alright, gonna release her. Let's take another look. Before I let you go and make sure I got this video.
What do you say, buddy? Oh, well, I got it all at least. Hopefully you're good with that.
It's alright.
Sound of now, 94.9.
Hear him growl.
That's a very good one. Alright. Are you good? Because that was intense. There for a minute, getting this camera thrown at me. Alright, buddy, you good? Smile for the camera.
Woo. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Woo!
I knew it was going to do that if I had that line.
It's recording.
It's recording.
Hey, Buck J.
Sherry? Sherry, don't be getting in them.
Hey, Chris, go to starboard. Come on over here, Harry.
Alright, I'm gonna get out of everybody's way.
She still works, but she's a little fucked up. Like,
It's working. It's
yeah.
working. It's still recording. Put the video on the computer.
Yeah.
It's still recording.
I want a GoPro anyways.
I know you want to go pro, Rob.
I want to go pro. We're pro.
You gotta start your own fishing show. You know the reality. Pro right now. What you talking about?
Okay. Look at Harry putting the herd on him. Put the herd on him.
Chris, go to starboard again.
Go to starboard.
Look, Robert. Those are all ones that must be full. Take a break.
And they ain't stopped yet. Look at them all. All right, y'all. Get ready. Somebody needs a leader and somebody needs to head at them.
Dad's gonna do it.
Yeah, Joey, get the net. Good job, Harry.
He wasn't messing.
Yeah!
He got his feet.
I think a little bit.
Look at him. He's got fish bones coming out of his side of his face.
Look at that. He's just puking shit.
Look at that,
Look
Harry.
at
Look at that
that.
something. Wow.
God damn it.
Woo! Pretty fucking fish. Monster.
I think that's about a 40, 40.
Oh, he just shat all over you, Joey.
That's 30. I got it. Okay.
He don't like me fucking.
Joey, hold on, he's on the leader. Hold him up before you put him in the chest too, Harry, so we can get a picture from you.
Hey, did I get shit on my face?
Nah, you're alright.
God, these are big ass fish. Wow.
Look at that. Look at the fish. Woo! Good job, Harry. All right.
Oh, you big bitch. Oh, that's how I do it around here. Oh, that's how I do it.
Here you go. I got your tool.
Woo!
Fish. Woo!
Yes.
You got a fish there.
Jeez.
Oh, careful,
Need a
man.
hand?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty, man. That's pretty. Okay.
Oh, God.
Tail walking.
Hey, an 18-inch fish. He's legal. Put him in the bucket.
I think he'll go in the bucket.
Damn.
You're on recorder right now, bud. Tell the camera how you feel.
Fucking shaking. Fucking shaking.
Are you shaking?
I don't want to grab this motherfucker.
Snatch him up.
They got teeth.
Mm-hmm. Pull him out of the water. Let me see what it looks like, boy. Get him up close to the boat. Woohoo! Yeah.
Stop by a branch or visit suntrust.com/businessclass. Solid. Bank solid. SunTrust. SunTrust Bank, member FDIC.
What's some teeth look like?
As a small business
You
owner,
on my shirt?
your business needs are always
Look, I'm gonna have to stop filming.
flexible. That's why Verizon is offering their high-speed internet and phone now with no-term contract required.
Hand the pole to me, Rob.
Your business needs change. You can
There you
cancel
go.
at any time with no early termination. It's the flexibility your small business needs. But that's not all you get. By signing up for high-speed internet and phone, you also
Don't
get
be scared of him.
website powered by you.
Just joking.
For your entire team. It lets you create a fully functioning customized website with any solution. Get it all. Verizon high-speed internet and phone. No contract required.
Yeah.
Small business solutions. And only Verizon offers.
That's a good looking boat fan. What you gonna do with him now?
Get the hook out of his fucking ass.
Yeah.
Get in here. Sweet.
Good Lord. Let's see them teeth. I got you. I got you. Grab that tip. I got you. Grab that tip. I'll lower the tip.
Oh god. Okay. Pull right around the tip.
I see it. I got him.
You still feel?
Yeah, I got you. I got you, buddy. Alright. There you go. Drop the tool. There you go. See the teeth.
Man, that's nasty.
I'll give you some slack.
There you go. Look at that.
Alright, switch the camera.
I got you. Alright, we're switching. Alright, and we're done.